In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play The Man by Taylor Swift, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke. Every week I'm releasing new tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, let's check out this song. So to perform The Man by Taylor Swift, we're going to play this in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, G major, C major, and A minor. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. Next, we're going to learn through the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and A minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by reading out each chord. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, G major, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, 2, 3, G major, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. 1, 2, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics to play through The Man. 1, 2, 3. I would be complex. I would be cool. They say I played the field before I found someone to commit to, and that would be okay for me to do. Every conquest I had made would make me more of a boss to you. I'd be a fearless leader, I'd be an alpha type. When everyone believes you, what's that like? I'm so sick of running as fast as I can, wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. And I'm so sick of them coming at me again, 'cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man, I'd be the man, I'd be the man. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for The Man. And that's how you played The Man by Taylor Swift. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their amazing metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.